Hello students, welcome to your my class. In last class we have learned quadrilaterals and curve, closed curve and open curve, as well as we learned in last class polygons and given here are some figure. Children, some figure is given there. This, and these all figures are closed. These all figures, children, closed. So first question is not simple curve. So which is the simple curve? This is also simple curve. So children, a simple curve is 1. Second simple curve, it is also simple curve. So 2. This is also simple curve. But children, it is not simple curve because these are intersecting to each other. Okay? And 5 and 6 and 7. So children, these all are simple curve. 1 to 5, 6, 7. Okay? So children, 2, 5, 6 and 7. These 5 figures are simple curve. These 5 figures 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. This is the simple curve. Children, third and fourth is not a simple curve because they are intersecting, and this is inside of that. So it is not a simple curve. Now simple closed curve. So children, these are simple curve and it is also closed. Is first, second, fifth, 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. This is the simple curve as well as closed because it is a closed. Okay? Why it is closed? Its initial and ending points are same. When we will start from here, so when you end from this, you will get there. Okay? Now children, next is given that polygon. As we know that a closed curve which is made up with line segment. Closed curve made up with line segment is called polygon. So children, first this all are the line segment. So first is the polygon. Second, this is also polygon. Children, it is closed. It is also closed, but this is not a polygon. This is also closed, but it is not polygon because these are curve. This is also curve. This is also here one curve. Okay, that's why it is not a polygon. Only first and second is the polygon. Okay. Now children, convex polygon. Children, what is the convex polygon? Convex polygon, a polygon whose diagonals lie inside of that polygon is called conic polygon. So children, we have two polygon, only 1 and 2. When we will try its diagonal, so diagonal of one diagonal of first polygon is exterior, but there are two diagonal. These two diagonals of second polygon that are interior. So children, convex polygon is 2. Second is the convex polygon, and one more thing is there. In last video, we told to you, children, each interior angle is less than 100 degree, but in concave polygon, at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree, means that is reflex angle. Okay children, so concave polygon is the first. First is the concave polygon. Now children, examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of angle are deduced from that. So children, this is the figure 1, 2, 3, 4 figure is there, and their side. How many side is there? How many side is there? How many side means how many sided figure is there? So children, this figure has 3 sides. So it is a triangle. As we know that angle sum property of triangle, sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Now children, this is quadrilateral, 4-sided polygon. So children, we divide it in two triangles. So sum of angle of triangle of this quadrilateral will be 180 degree. How? Because children, as we know that sum of angle of triangle is 180. So how many triangles is there? 2 triangles there. If there are 2 triangles, so 180 multiplied by 2, that is 360 degree. Now children, we can write it 2 as 4 minus 2 because there are 4 sides and the number of triangles is 2. So 4 minus 2 into 180, that is 360. Now this is a pentagon children. Number of triangles is 3, 1, 2 and 3 triangles. So 3 multiplied by 180, that is 540. So children, we got their number of side is there 5, and when you subtract 2 from 5 we get 3. So 3 multiplied by 180. So like that, in a hexagon we divide the hexagon in 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles. Children, if there are 4 triangles, so 180 multiplied by 4, that is 720. So sum of angle of hexagon is 720. But how we will get? Children, number of sides there 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, and 4 multiplied by 180. Okay, so we get a pattern, children. Here 4 minus 2, 4 where 4 is the number of side. 5 minus 2, where 5 is the number of side. Here 6 minus 2, here 6 is the number of side. So like that, children, we get a formula. What is the formula? We get a formula if there are n side. So what we will get? N minus, we get n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula for find the find the sum of interior angle of polygon of n sided. If there are n sided, suppose that there are 7 side, 8 side, 9 side, 10 side. Okay, so children, sum of interior angle of polygon. This is the polygon, and how many sides there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagon. If there are n sides, so children, sum of interior angle of polygon, as we learned the pattern in previous slide, that is n minus 2 into 180, or you can say that 180 into n minus 2, where n is the number of side of the polygon. Children, where n is the number of side of the polygon. Okay, so children, sum of the interior angle of polygon is this, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, and note children, the sum of exterior angle of polygon. The sum of exterior angle of polygon is always less than 360 degree. Is always 360 degree, not less than. Sum of exterior angle. Exterior angle is this one and this one. This is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. Okay, this. Okay, children, and this. So this is the exterior angle. So sum of this exterior angle of a triangle is 360 degree. Okay, and children, the sum of interior angle of polygon can be more or less than 360 degree. Sum of interior angle of polygon can be more or less than 360 degree. We will find the sum of interior angle of this pentagon. So what you will get? 180 degree multiplied by how many sides is there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 2, children, and replace by 5, you will get 180 degree multiplied by 3, that is 540 degree. So children, that is greater than or more than 100 or 360 degree. So children, interior angle can be less than or more than 360 degree, but exterior angle, sum of the exterior angle is exactly 360 degree. Okay. Here question is given, what can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with number of sides? How many sides is there? 7, here is 8, here is 10, and here is 10. So as we know that the angle sum by the angle sum of interior angle of convex polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So children, what is the interior angle of what is the sum of interior angle of polygon having 7 sides? So n replaced by 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. Why there is 7? Because the 7 is the number of sides. So where n is the number of sides, so children, n replaced by 7, we get 5 minus 5 into 180 degree. So 18 5 is 9. So 900 degree. Okay, children. Second, if number of side is 8, so 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 8 minus 2 is 6 into 180 degree. So 18 6 children, 100 means 1080 degree. Total sum of the interior angle of a polygon having 8 sides. Like that, you can find that in sum of interior angle of triangle of a polygon having 10 sides. Can you do it? Yes children, this is for you. This is for you. Okay. Now children, the parts of polygon. In this polygon, as we know that diagonal. In each and every polygon have a diagonal except triangle. Except triangle, each and every polygon have a diagonal. So children, diagonal of a polygon is any line segment that join two non-consecutive vertices, mean non-adjacent vertices. Okay children, so in this figure there are, this is the pentagon, 5-sided polygon, so it is pentagon. So how many diagonal is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 diagonal. Is a triangle have diagonal? No, a triangle have number of diagonal in a triangle, that is 0. So children, here is a formula to derive the number. This formula is derived to find the number of diagonal of a polygon. This is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So children, or you can say that n square minus 3n divided by 2, where n is number of side. N is the number of side. So children, if we have to find the number of diagonal in a polygon, so how will find? We will apply this formula. Okay, we will apply this formula to find the number of diagonals of a polygon. This is n into n minus 3 upon 2. How many diagonal does each of the following have? How many diagonal does each of the following have? So remember the formula. What is the formula? Formula is there. Number of diagonals of polygon is equal to n, get n minus 3 upon 2. This one. n minus 3 upon 2. Yes children. First is given convex quadrilateral. In a convex quadrilateral, if it is a quadrilateral, so number of side is equal to, here number of side n is equal to children 4. N is the number of side. Quadrilateral is given there, no? So 4-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. So children, number of diagonals formula is there, n into n minus 3 upon 2. So children, a quadrilateral have 4 sides, so n replaced by 4, so we get 4 into 4 minus 3 upon 2. So children, 2 and 2 divides 4, it gives 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So children, this is 2. How many diagonals in a quadrilateral? 2. You can check. Draw any quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. So draw this diagonal, 1 diagonal and 2 diagonals. You can't draw more than 2 diagonals in a quadrilateral. Second one children, a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon having 6 sides. How many sides? A regular hexagon having 6 sides. So children, here given that n is equal to 6, because hexagon is there, na? So like that, this is the figure of regular hexagon. How many diagonals is there? Number of diagonals. Children, number of diagonals is equal to, formula is n into n minus 3 upon 2. So children, n replaced by 6. What will be 6 into 6 minus 3 upon 2. So children, 6 minus 3 is 3 upon 2. 2 divided 6 gives 3. That is 9. You can say 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal, 3 diagonal, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many diagonals is there children? 9 diagonals. Like that, a triangle. Oh, how many diagonals? A triangle. A triangle have how many diagonals? So children, in a triangle, number of sides is equal to 3. This is a triangle. Can you draw any diagonal in this triangle? No, I can't draw any diagonal in a triangle. So let's find number of diagonals by formula. Number of diagonals in a triangle side 0, that is 3 minus 3 upon 2. So children, 3 into 0 upon 2, that is 0 upon 2 is equal to 0, means a triangle has no diagonals. Now Sum of the measure of the exterior angle of triangle, as we know in previous slide we learned sum of the measure of exterior angle of triangle is 360 degree. So children, if sum of the measure of exterior angle of triangle is 360 degrees, so how we find the number of side? So number of side of a polygon is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle, each exterior angle. Okay children, so this is the formula to find the number of side of polygon if exterior angle is given, and if you find the exterior angle, then 360 divided by number of side. Okay, so exterior angle equal to children, exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n means number of sides. Okay children, so number of sides of a polygon, how we find 360 degree divided by exterior angle. So your first question is given, find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Find number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has measured 45 degree. Here given that exterior angle, not interior angle. Exterior angle is given. So children, how we find? As we know that number of sides of polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. So children, 360 degree divided by exterior angle is given there 45. So divided by 45. Now divided children. When we divide it, so what we will get? 360 degree divided by 45 degree. Degree is cancelled. When we will divide it, we get 8. So children, 8-sided polygon. We get 8-sided polygon, that is octagon. Yes, that is octagon. Children, this figure is given, and we have to find the value of x in A1. We have to find the value of x in A1, and 125 will be x and 125. Children, this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. As we know that sum of the exterior angle, sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So children, 125 plus 125 plus x is equal to 360 degree, because exterior angle is 125, second is x, and third is also 125 degree. So 125 and 125 is 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. So children, x is equal to 360 degree minus 250. When we subtract it, and we get 110 degree. So what is the value of x? That is 110 degree. Like that, you can find the value of x in like that type questions if exterior angle is given. Okay. Now children, we have to find the measure of each exterior angle. Okay. So what is the formula for find the measure of each exterior angle if number of side is given? So children, exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. So children, 9 side is given. So exterior angle will be, exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by 9. That is 40 degree. Second, exterior angle 360 divided by number of side is 50. So how many it will be? 14. Sorry, 24. How many? 24 degree. Okay. 15 to the 30 and 15 for the 60. So 24 degree exterior angle. Children, next question is given there. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Children, given that exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. So number of sides, we have to find how many sides. So number of sides is equal to children 360 degree divided by 24 degree, because 24 degree is the exterior angle. So children, what you will get? 15 divided, you will get 15 sides. Okay. And children, see this question. It is given that how many sides does a regular polygon? Question is how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle, focus there, here is given that interior angle is 165 degree and here given that exterior angle. So children, we know that the formula to find number of side is equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. So children, but here given that interior angle, so first of all we have to find the exterior angle. So children, what is given? Interior angle given 165 degree. Yes. So find out the exterior angle. So as you know that exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus interior angle. So children, 180 degree minus 165, that is 15 degree. So children, what we get? Exterior angle is equal to 15 degree. Okay. Now number of sides, we have to find how many sides. How many sides does a regular polygon? So number of sides is equal to children 360 degree divided by exterior angle. So exterior angle is given there 15 is equal to 24. Okay. I hope it's clear. Hope you enjoyed your class.